Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, share and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next Supreme content. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this particular channel, we educate people on digital skills, tech tips, and how to make money online with your smartphone. If this meets any of your specifications, please go ahead and hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content. Alright, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can get more gigabyte. Now, recently, that was last Friday, MTN brought back their zone bundle, but guys, is something serious. Okay, yeah, a whole lot of people are complaining that the prices are too high, but then the megabyte or the gigabyte is too low. But then let's check something out here. Now, when you dial the *135*2*1#, then we dial this particular number, we are going to get offers for 323 megabytes for 1 cedi 94 pesos. So it's like it changes from 1 cedi 94 pesos to 2 cedis 9 pesos, something like that. Okay, so yesterday mine was at 2.09 pesos, which is almost 2 cedis 10 pesos. Okay, now this particular 1 cedi, or let's say approximately 2 cedis, is giving you 323 megabytes, and then 2 cedis approximately 60 pesos is giving you 489 megabytes, and then approximately 3 cedis 90 pesos is giving us 796 megabytes. Okay, but guys, this is so expensive as compared to their previous one, because already 1 cedi, is it 10 pesos or 20 pesos, was giving 1 gig, and they've actually reduced the price to almost 2 cedis for 323 megabytes. Guys, that is something. Okay, now let's check on Vodafone. When we dial *15530#, I want to show you something here. Now, with that of Vodafone, when you keep on doing it, they will be changing the prices, or they will be changing the offers. A time is coming that you wouldn't be even getting megabyte or internet data, but then it will all be call credit. As you can see, mine, they are giving though 1 cedi, but then it's for only 5 a.m. to let's say 9 o'clock, okay, in the morning. Then it's finished with 500 megabytes, 60 minutes for all network, and as you can see on the screen. But then I want to introduce you to this particular Vodafone offers that is far better than the MTN offers or the MTN zone bundle offer they are giving to us. But then let's dial *110#. That is Vodafone users who are registered on Momo. Okay, so we select our Vodafone. Then when we come, okay, it's still loading. I think the network isn't that strong here, but then we are going to conquer it. Alright, so let's dial again. Okay, then you select option 3, that is buy airtime or data. So option 3. Then you come to special offers, option 3. After special offers, you can buy for someone, you can buy for yourself. So let's choose self. Alright, so these particular packages, let's say 1.3 gig for 4 cedis 50 pesos for 1 day, 3 cedis 50 pesos for 800 megabytes for 1 day, 450 megabytes for 2 cedis 50 pesos for 1 day, and 200 all net minutes for 5 cedis for 7 days. Now, this particular offer is far better than the MTN zone bundle. Okay, now for you to get 1.3 gig on MTN zone bundle, you will spend more than 4 cedi 50 pesos. before you can get 1.3 gig on MTN. And if you want to get 800 megabytes, you are going to spend more than what? 3 cedis 50 pesos before you can get 800 megabytes on MTN Zone Bundle. So why don't we choose Vodafone instead of MTN Zone Bundle? Because with Vodafone, we are having more exciting offers. Disclaimer, Vodafone has not paid me to actually advertise their offers to us, but then for we all to enjoy, I made this particular tutorial for you guys. So please and please, you can switch or you can get Vodafone SIM attached to your MTN SIM so that you can be enjoying the offers Vodafone is also giving to us, because this is more affordable. And even if it's your first time of dialing the *530#, you are going to be getting offers for, you are going to get 1 gig for 1 cedi 10 pesos. Okay, you continue to enjoy the 1 cedi 10 pesos for 1 gig till 1 to 2 weeks before they change the offers. Okay, and this particular offers changes from day to day, and I think Vodafone is the best option to choose, even as MTN Zone Bundle is very expensive, but giving low megabyte. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this particular tutorial. If you want more exciting videos like this, please go ahead and hit on the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. We are going to work tirelessly to make sure that we get you more and more affordable data bundle offers from other telecommunication networks so that we all can enjoy. Once again, my name is Kofi Frederick, well known as Supreme. It's bye for now.